Time I'm fading fast, I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past, I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack, restlessness to hell and back.
The Oppo Find X8 is a compact flagship phone recently launched. It has a small, flat screen, rounded R-angle design, and a unique 3-stage slider. It looks more like Apple's iPhone 16 than a typical Oppo phone. We've seen many phones with an iPhone-like design, but this is the first time the Oppo Find X8's front looks almost like an exact copy, even with 1.45mm thin bezels on the sides, just like the iPhone. However, there's a big price difference between the two phones. The Oppo Find X8 costs £463 in the UK and $596 in the USA. Today, I'll be giving you a detailed review of the Oppo Find X8. Hey everyone, this is Maiky from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications so you don't miss any amazing tech videos. Let's check out the design of the Oppo Find X8. This one is in a bubble pink color, and there are also black, white, and blue options. The back of the phone is made from a single piece of frosted glass. The camera module is circular with 4 black circles, but only 3 of them are camera lenses. In the upper left corner, there's an LED flash, which is special because you can adjust its brightness to 4 different levels. You can also compare it with the iPhone 16 and let me know in the comments which design you prefer. This time, the iPhone has a new camera module for special audio features. The Oppo Find X8 has the Hasselblad logo, meaning it's focused on camera quality. The camera module is large, but has less of a bump than the previous generation. The phone's frame is metal with a matte finish, and there's a new 3-stage alert slider button as well. This button was also available on Oppo's older phones, and even if the phone is locked, you can quickly switch it to silent mode with this button. When you switch to silent, you'll get a vibration feedback. You can also adjust this setting on the screen. The front-facing camera instantly transforms into a dynamic island. The phone isn't too heavy either, weighing around 193 grams, with a thickness of 7.95mm. It feels lightweight and easy to hold with one hand. You can compare its thickness with the iPhone 16. Talking about the screen, it has a 6.59-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Compared to the iPhone 16, this phone has twice the refresh rate. You can see the bezels. And according to Oppo, they spent $100 million on the screen's packaging technology. All 4 sides have uniform bezels, giving it a balanced look. You can also compare the bezels with the iPhone 16. The Oppo Find X8 has noticeably narrower bezels. This time, the small punch hole includes dynamic island features as well. For the rear cameras, the Oppo Find X8 has a triple camera setup, a main 50-megapixel camera with an LYT-700 sensor, a secondary 50-megapixel LS600 periscope telephoto camera, and a third 50-megapixel JN5 ultra-wide camera. This time, the phone includes a feature similar to the iPhone's Live Photo. When you turn on the Live Photo option, it records a short video along with the photo. When previewing, you can press and hold on the photo to see it come to life with motion. You can also compare this Live Photo feature with the iPhones. The Find X8 captures more shadow details, and you can check out portrait photo samples here as well.
Losing time, I'm fading fast, I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past, I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack, restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief.
The phone also has an Oppo AI feature. By holding down the power button, it captures the screen content, allowing you to select items and then provides information about the selected object. For performance, the Oppo Find X8 has the top-of-the-line MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chip, a flagship chip built on a 3nm platform. With this phone, you can play games like King of Glory and PUBG Mobile at 120 FPS. And you can enjoy Genshin Impact on the highest settings with a high frame rate. In Genshin Impact, the default resolution is 810p, which looks clearer compared to 720p. When playing for 30 minutes on the highest settings at 60 FPS, the average frame rate is 60.43 FPS, showing excellent frame rate stability. Despite being lightweight and thin, the phone delivers outstanding performance. It has a 5630 mAh battery, which is large for its size. The phone supports 80-watt super flash wired charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and 10 watts reverse wireless charging. The phone has an under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric security, but it's placed quite low. The animations are silky smooth thanks to ColorOS 15. If you haven't seen a video about ColorOS 15 on the Oppo Find X8 yet, the link will be in the description, so be sure to check it out. The animations also include real-time blurring effects, and ColorOS 15 is much more optimized compared to the previous version. To sum up, the Oppo Find X8 has a great design, is a compact flagship, offers outstanding performance, and has a superb camera. The live photo feature is also a nice touch. So, what do you think about the Oppo Find X8? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. This is me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell.